Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can find out the IPv4 address for your Windows computer. Let's get right into it. So you want to go to your desktop and then go down to the start button down here. Then what you want to do is you want to type in command prompt and then open up the command prompt. You may need to click on run as administrator. However, I'm just going to click on it like normal. After that, you want to type in the following command. ipconfig space vertical line findstr/i speech mark IPv4 end speech mark. If you don't want to type it all out, it's in the description below for you to copy and paste. And to paste into the command prompt, you just right click. You don't need to do anything else. And once you've typed that out, press the enter key. And this will be your computer's IPv4 address for your local network. And the great part about this is, it doesn't give you loads of different details, it just gives you the IPv4 address. So thanks for being a great audience, be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.